Once you sign up for a packages account, you must be wondering what next, right? So you can start by taking any of these packages here, right, and giving a spin, right? So I'll give you an example. You can say go to this one that says Yellow Pages Scraper, right? Or you can go up the top and you can search for it, right? So this Yellow Pages Scraper, you can click on this and say Run Package, right? So from here, maybe you can look for things, right? So maybe I'm looking for something for on page one and say this is New York, right? And then the maybe it's a uh, roofing, or maybe it's a maybe I'll just look for aircon repair, okay? And then just hit the Run Package. Okay, so originally you'll be given 25 credits, and then the once the package runs, okay, it says just finished. So you can come to this side here. Okay, you can click on this, and then this is your result. Okay, so this is the end result, what you can get out of packages, right? So you can export the CSV, and then go to Google Sheet, and then you can do whatever you want, right? So the data given is like the URL here, a description of the business, the category the business is in, and of course the name itself. Right? So this is relatively easy to run. So that only take up like one credit, right? So you can see here it takes up one credit. So you can click on the top right corner, go to settings, and then come down here and you can see what it takes up one credit. All right. So the balance is 24. You start off with 25, and now you got 24 credits. Okay. So let's go back to the front of the site. Okay. So anytime you want to take a look at the results, you can come here and click on this, right? You can go to the results table here. All right. So this is the file. This is the raw result. You can copy and paste to ChatGPT and ask it to do something else. Right. These are the steps taken, right, to achieve this result. Right. So we have put in the input of New York as well as aircon repair. Script everything on page one and then speed it up in a table form. So that's what it means. All right. Total is 10 steps. So these 10 steps only take us one token. Sometimes it's only 4 steps, but it takes like 6, 7 tokens. So it all depends on the complexity of the task or difficulty of the task, or how much it consumes, right? The whatever work it needs to be doing at the back end. All right. Okay, so it doesn't always means that more steps equals to more credits, right? So that's what I'm trying to say. Right, so you can play around with this. Another useful package would be this one, right? Making a personalized mini letter. So let me show you, right? So you can click on this and say, well, I want a topic on, say, latest Marvel movie, okay, and news, right? Maybe movies, because they could be shooting more than one. And then hit the run package. Okay, so just finished. Again, click on this. So now you should have a photo here. Yeah, it's coming out. So what it does is it goes to the Google image and then I guess take the first image. And then this is the our input, right? And then these are the related links, so you can read up and you can click on this and read up on the catch up on the latest news on the movies, right? The Marvels will be filming. Right, so this is just kind of like an introduction or summary, right? So if you look at the steps here, it's only 8 steps, right? And so these are all the things that's doing in the back end. Okay, uh, so that's about it, right? So these things not okay. So you can share this, right? And you can download how that's working right now. And you can get an embed. So I guess it's for later. Right, so you can test this out, right? Another interesting one would be all these new letters. So maybe we'll run one more, right? So right now you do not need to put in any keys yet. Okay, so this is already preset for you. Is on the USA team basketball, right? Yeah, Team USA basketball, right? So they just won a gold in the Olympics, right? Uh, yeah. So so they just beat France, right, for the goal. And then if you click on this, okay, right, let me go back here again. Okay, so maybe I would just need to right click. I'm not sure whether you can see it, but anyway, if you right click, you should be able to read the article, right? Because my screen recorder is set to this tab only. Right, so anyway, you should be able to click and then read up the news if you have run this package, right? So there are so many packages right now and many more to come, right? So in other videos, I will show you how to use some of these packages. For now, that's all, right? So happy exploring. See you in the next video.